Hello everyone! After our latest video about geodesic projection domes for the event industry, we received a lot of questions. So today, we decided to share with you some of the tips and tricks from Fulldome.pro project managers and sales support.
Behind all successful events, there is a huge amount of work by professional teams. Production managers, technical and creative directors, project managers, engineers, and installation teams. Try to define the right dome size and capacity. Of course, we are always balancing between budget and capacity. The ideal scenario is when you have a small line to the dome, which will attract a crowd to the venue. People will be very interested to visit. But you don't want this line to be so long that people are tired of waiting.
Depending on the occasion, you can use cinema-style seats for presentations or corporate events. Folding chairs give flexibility. You can set them up when you need them or remove them when you plan a party. For totally relaxed atmosphere, just go with comfortable beanbags and cushions on the floor for kids. The universal rule will be the back of the seat should be reclined for better immersive effect. Consider the weather conditions. Beanbags and cushions aren't ideal in wet weather. Remember that seat type will determine the capacity as well.
You can always add another level of high exposure and recognition, design and attractiveness to the dome theater with the help of printed decorative cover or LED lights. For the ultimate exposure and flexibility, the entire outer dome surface can be mapped and serve as a huge screen to promote sponsors and organizers.
Our domes come with portals for connecting ventilation, heating or air conditioning to keep your audience comfortable in any weather. Our project managers can recommend a suitable HVAC system for the dome size and climate. We may even be able to recommend a supplier based on our past projects.
For outdoor installations, a dome will require flooring. Even in fairly good conditions, grass will be reduced to mud underfoot, and any water on the ground will move under the dome. So matting or rubber flooring is recommended for traffic areas. For more severe weather conditions or long-term installations, a steel frame podium and plywood deck should be used.
Fulldome.pro can provide our own team for installation, or you can use your own team under our supervision. For smaller domes, or once you are familiar with the installation process, you can install a dome and projection system on your own. Surely, that depends on your budget and resources.
Of course, there is no universal answer and every event is unique. Overall advice will be to rent a dome if the event is just several days and you don't have an in-house tech team to install and support the dome yourself. The Fulldome.pro team will take care of everything. If your event is more than 2 weeks, it may be economical to purchase the dome. You can use the dome for other events, and your in-house tech team can be trained to install, operate, and maintain the dome and projection equipment.
No matter how easy it is to set up and operate the dome, your audience are there to see what's inside. The dome experience is what you want the audience to remember, to tell their friends about, and to come back to. Therefore, what you are going to show in the dome is extremely important.
There are several options for the dome content which you can offer. Choose from the Fulldome.pro library of shows and visuals. Create your customized show with Fulldome.pro Studio and our partners. Stream any videos from YouTube 360, broadcast real-time, use interactive software or 360 applications. Our systems are compatible with Kinect, Leap Motion, and others. Work with your own content partners for show creation. Fulldome.pro studio supervisors can provide help and advice for those new to the Dome content production. Convert and adapt your existing content to the Dome format.
Thank you for watching. Follow us on our social media and visit our website to get more information on our projects, products, and industry news.